What up, Sauce Gang, and welcome back to the channel. Hot Sauce Beats here with a massive reaction for you because Lovejoy just dropped Anvil Cat from Studio 4. Now, looking in the comments, this looks like it is the acoustic version of their EP, Are You Alright, which has some massive bangers on it. I am beyond hype for this, and a lot of times I think acoustic songs are better than the original because you can just get so much more emotion when a song is stripped down to the bare minimums of the acoustic version of it. So I'm beyond hype for this, but before we jump into it, I want to give their bassist Ash a massive shout out and thank you. He saw my reaction to their last song that they just dropped, and he heard me say that I wanted some tickets to their show. So he literally is hooking me up with tickets to go see them in Austin, Texas. I will be vlogging the whole thing, and I'm taking Curtis Beard with me. It is gonna be an epic trip, and I cannot wait to share my experience of seeing Lovejoy in concert with you guys. But before we jump in there, show Lovejoy some love by subscribing to their channel, and if you enjoy my reaction, smash that subscribe button because it greatly helps. But enough talking, let's get to reacting and roll that bomb ass intro.
Hot Sauce Beats is finally here. Hot Sauce Beats is finally here. Eat, sleep, make beats. Eat, sleep, make beats.
Hot Sauce Beats. Woo, woo. Let's go, Sauce Gang. Dude, I am so hyped for this. This is a treat. Tomorrow. Oh, dude, wasn't Tomorrow, isn't this the scrapped song off of Are You Alright? So is this a music video too? Dude, I get to sing Lovejoy! Dude, this is hyping me up even more. And they got a new EP dropping soon. I think in a week, 2 weeks? Oh, come on, fam. Let's go! Woo! That's beautiful. So just real quick, one of my favorite artists or bands of all time is a band by the name of Trapt. Trapt is, and Three Doors Down. The reason why I bring them both up, both of those bands have always like released an album and then done, for the most part, acoustic versions of that album. And almost always the acoustic version is my favorite. Again, you put so much more emotion in there when you strip everything out. Dude, I'm so hyped for this. I'm loving this guitar so far, dude. I don't know why they scrapped this. Is that too loud? Who is that lady? Who is that lady? People are just walking by and they're like, what are these people doing, bro? I mean, because they're looking very sus. Obviously, we know it's for this video, but hey, and something else, chat, do you know, I thought I remember hearing, so this is called Anvil Cat, which a cat was getting crushed by an anvil on the cover of their EP for Are You Alright? I've heard there's lore around this. Like Wilbur saying what, one of his lyrics was, why'd you kill my cat or something? So is there a Lovejoy ARG? And Wilbur, don't hate on me for asking that question, but I gotta ask, is there lore behind Lovejoy? Ooh, okay, let's go! That should not have been scrapped, dude. Tons! God, dude, this is a treat. I hope you all are having a good night. We just vibing together. Come on, baby. Dude, Tons so good. Ain't ready for when I go to their show. Okay, come on. I wasn't ready for the singing. We ready now.
You always do that one thing.
Dude, you guys see what I'm talking about again? Just how big of a difference there is. Matter of fact, just real quick, we're not leaving this. I just want to bring up Lovejoy's original song, Taunt, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Just how big of a difference. Listen to the drop of when. Again, it's like more epic, grand.
She's always asking, am I alright? As if auspicious or in my pine.
Okay, Also, again, amazing. Amazing. I'm not taking nothing away from the original, but acoustic versions, dude, you feel that raw emotion in there. Dude, this is a treat, chat. I'm gonna be that guy at the concert too with the lighter up if they do acoustic songs. I cannot wait to vlog this.
Is it suspicious or in my pipe? A funny answer or a good night?
I already know I'm gonna have some bold statements at the end of this, chat.
Yes, you always do that one thing. When you wrinkle up the nose break.
Cheers with some
Dr. Pepper. I took it as a taunt. Remember way back then in school? Did anybody ever say no to you? Oh, did anybody ever say no to you? Oh, whoa. And I don't think I have a clue. Oh, did anybody ever say no to you? Oh, did anybody ever say no to you? Oh, whoa. She's always trying to.
Dude, I keep watching in here just to see if like something happens, and I also want to see the reactions of these people walking by. These four just clearly not doing laundry, dude. They're just chilling. And I've always given mad props to all of them. And I think it's Ash, right? I think it's Ash that edits for their videos. Like, it's something as simple of them sitting in the laundromat. It's somehow fitting for this acoustic album. Like,
the table.
Like it's like got coffee shop vibes, you know, just chilling.
You're insecure. Cause I always do that one thing. When I get you drunk and jumping to figure out what my brain tick. Oh, I'm a listener. Oh, way back then in school. Oh, did anybody ever say no to you? Oh, did anybody ever say no to you? Whoa. And I don't think I have a clue. Anybody ever say no to you? Oh.
Dude, God, I got my fingers crossed. I hope we get some acoustic songs. I hope, again, I love when it's stripped down. I love it. And you just feel like, it also makes it, I feel like it also makes it really a lot easier. I was about to say really easier, but a lot easier to understand like the meaning behind the song, right? Like you feel what they are trying to sing to you, and you get that. I know I've said it probably like 11 times now. You get that emotion.
Did anybody ever say no to you? Whoa.
I can't not imagine Goggy right now, though. Come on! Wait. Kind of sped up now, though, so that doesn't really match the vibe, does it?
Number for the cab call.
Ooh, is One Day next?
As you're dashing out the front door, you claim to touch the cat call. Thank God the time is short. And you always do that one thing. Cause when you throw and dress me under, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what that means. I took it as a joke.
Let's go! Shut up, bro. Yes, One Day. Let's fucking go! God, I love One Day. Borderline, not my absolute favorite, maybe second or third of theirs. I love One Day. That someone went in there while they were there. Dude, Wilbur looks like he's just having the time of his life, bro.
Stop. Cause why'd you have to kill my cat?
See?
Why'd I have to take you back? And why'd I dance, play the empath? I don't know why.
I'm trying to pay attention even more than I have before to the lyrics, because again, I know there's this massive like conspiracy. I wouldn't say it's massive, but that there's supposedly lore behind. Oh, terrible time to get hiccups. But that there's supposedly lore behind Lovejoy.
Lights up.
That like all their songs connect or something.
Toilet with a seat left up. Close you like it did in headline. One day I know that you will be there. One day focus on the future. Maybe one day baby, isn't life so fucking inconsistent? One day I know that you'll be there. One day I'll focus on the future, maybe one day. Oh baby, isn't life so fucking inconsistent? Let's talk about what I want.
Come on!
All I want to do is turn back time. Dude. A couple Tuesdays to before
I don't even know if that's too loud. I don't even honestly care if it's too loud. It sounds good in my ears.
I'm not afraid of empty rooms. I'm not afraid of new perfume. And in fact, my dear,
You see that dude? He's like, looks at them, sees the camera. I've seen weirder stuff. So hey, first off, let's give a round of applause to Lovejoy, dude. This is something that their fans needed. This is something I needed. I love me some acoustic versions. And I feel like this is definitely something that A, we got to hear tomorrow, and B, this is gonna hold us over for a week or two until the EP drops. So take it.
I'm fucking terrified. One day I know that you will be there. One day I'll focus on the future, maybe one day. Oh baby, isn't life so fucking inconsistent? One day know that you will be there. One day I'll focus on the future, maybe one day. Oh baby, isn't life so fucking inconsistent? Woo.
It's on a loop. Chad, have you guys noticed? Is this a constant video or is it on a loop? I can't tell. I know the people aren't. I can't tell if. I don't think it's on a loop. I don't think it's on a loop. So fucking inconsistent. One day I know that you will be there. One day I'll focus on the future. One day, oh baby, it's a life so fucking inconsistent. Let's fucking go! Oh, I forgot about sex cells. Now, I will say this. I promise you I'm not off beat. For whatever reason, this record, and I've tried fixing it, I'm just an idiot, but it records it like ever so slightly off. So you guys might be thinking, God, hot sauce for someone who says he's a music producer, which I did go to school for, I promise you, I know what I'm talking about. But you're like, man, this dude is off beat and is terrible. I'm sorry, my timing between the recording and the screen, it's off a smidgen.
You think he'd realize, but he's infatuated with our deals of possessions and far-flung social policies. His daddy works on the council. The missus loves silver spoons. Swore she'd never kiss
the people doing laundry there.
This boy was too good to lose. And all listen carefully.
I'd be like, what the fuck are these guys doing?
To the floors you made.
Little did they know they were doing laundry next to fucking Lovejoy, bro. And they're on their new video.
Make your way downstairs. You haven't got far to fall. Now it's red, now it's dead. Now it's everything she needed. Now it's fall. But don't pull his breast on your knees. Now it's a
I can't stop smiling.
Happy sucker to ensure happy ending.
Oh, get to. Oh, come on, get on that shit.
Been scared of sleeping with the lights on, but she's not there. I know she's going to his flight. Capricorn, oh fuck that.
Oh my God.
This is sex sounds, I know that. I've been scared of sleeping with the lights on, but she's not there. I know she's going to his flight.
Dude, yeah, this one's giving me some of that stink face. You know when you listen to a song, you're just like, ooh, bro, it just hits different. You just feel it different. You're like, ooh. It's not stink face because it sucks. It's stink face because it's that good. It gives you this ugly face of just amazingness. Ooh, bruh. You know what I mean? I know you guys know what I mean. Maybe you're doing it right now if you're listening to this for the first time and you just got that. Ooh, okay.
Capricorn, oh fuck that. silence. If you've got none to lose, if he's still infatuated with the truth.
Oh, okay.
So will you do what's easy? Will
I'll
you
stop
do
that.
what's right? Please just could you let me know? Where will you sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Where will you sleep at night?
I'm guessing that night, Wilbur's sleeping on top of that dryer, dude. Or washer. That's where he's sleeping. Because he's taking a little nappy nap.
Where will you sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Where do you sleep?
Also, my question has been answered in my head that that's not on a loop, 100%. This is just a 14-minute clip of them standing there. And smoking's bad! Hey, look at, and this coming from I probably smoked for about 20-ish years. I haven't had a cigarette in 7 years now. Holy cow. But yeah, hey. God, I do miss it sometimes. I'm not going to lie. Like, as soon as I saw it, I kind of started having a craving, but so bad.
How do you sleep at night? Cultured man, Venetian suntan, red wine and club bands, Viagra pills on the nightstand. How's it feel? How's it feel to be so loved? How's it feel to be so loved yet so alone? I've been scared of sleeping with the lights on, but she's not there. I know she's going to his fly. A Capricorn, oh fuck that. This is sex sounds, I know that. I've been scared of sleeping with the lights on, but she's not there. I know she's going to his fly. A Capricorn, oh fuck that. This is sex sounds, I know that. I've been scared of sleeping with the lights on. She's not there, I know she's going to his fly. A Capricorn, oh fuck that. This is sex sounds, I know that. Sex sounds, I know that.
Sex herself.
Sex sounds, I know that.
Ooh, get that falsetto, Wilbur. Come on now.
Do you sleep at night?
Bro. All right, we got one left. One left. I don't remember what the last song is on the EP. I should. I know I should. I'm slacking. Cause for concern. I'm not even lying. Say it was on the tip of my tongue. I totally forgot what the other song was. Because again, it was a 4-song EP, but Tomorrow was supposed to be on there, but they scrapped it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't fully miss smoking. Like when you're bored and you got nothing to do, that's when I miss smoking. And that cigarette looking pretty good. I'm glad I quit. I'm glad I quit because it's terrible for you. And it's super expensive. Holy cow, is it expensive now. And rant. Rant over. Rant over. In time, dude. I don't think he's moved like maybe an inch. Like his hands have been moving, but that's it. Oh, my bad. And as soon as I say it, he starts moving.
So what's it to ya? Down another rainbow. I haven't even got the cue.
Yeah, we all need to say thank you. Where's the comments?
Jump for what you resort to. Sing the chants, we ain't gonna hurt you.
We all thank you for dropping this.
Cool else to do. You could eat the phone from the headrest. You can knock the wind out.
There we go. This is a treat, chat.
You can kick the teeth into.
Let me know. Off of the Are You Alright EP, what is your favorite song? Let me know. I'm curious. I'm curious what the majority will say.
My head. Still there's no cause for concern. So what's it to ya? Down another rainbow. I haven't even got you. You look dreadful. You jump to what you're resort to. It's in the chance we ain't gonna hurt you. But when there's fuck all else to do, you could eat the fun from the headrest. But you can knock the wind out of my breath.
Come on, chat. Come on, chat.
You could kick the teeth into my head. Still there's no cause for concern.
Oh. You looking comfy, Wilbur. Why? No cap. No cap. This would be a hell of an album cover, dude. Right here. I wonder if it is. Because this is like too good to not be an album cover. Especially on some vinyl. Lovejoy, you dropping some vinyl, fam? You dropping some vinyl, maybe? Bruh. Hell of an album cover, dude. Like that moment right there. Right there, dude. Amazing. Even better.
We ain't gonna hurt you.
Actually, right there. That's the perfect. I'm sorry. I'll stop it. I'm sorry.
Hurt you. We ain't gonna hurt you. Cause when there's fuck all else to do, you could eat fun from the headrest.
It's like skip. Stop it. Stop doing that.
Could kiss the teeth into my head. You can knock the wind out of my breath. Still there's no cause for concern.
Oh no!
No cause for concern.
Dude, we're not worthy! We're not worthy! Come on! Bruh! Dude, okay. Oh, all good things must come to an end, chat. Unless you're going to see him in a show. Dude! Oh my god, that was amazing. Okay. So first off, bold statement. God, I think I like all of them better in the original, dude. I know you guys are gonna disagree, but again, I'm just such an amazing fan of acoustic guitars, the acoustic versions of songs broken down and stripped down. I almost feel like, not saying that all songs are meant to be listened acoustic style, but I just love the simplicity of it. I think it's beautiful. It's art. It sounds so good in my ears, man. So good. So good. But, so, One Day 100% is my favorite song off of that. Just absolutely love it. But all of them are good. All of them. So again, let me know what is your favorite one on there. And I just gotta say, Lovejoy, thank you so much for dropping this. Like, this is amazing. We need this. This is just, every single one of your fans is gonna be smiling nonstop. And I'm hoping maybe I called like an album cover, because that's too good to not be an album cover. And Lovejoy, I will see you. What's the date? What's the date? What's the date? What's the date? May 9th in Austin, Texas. I'm vlogging down there with Curtis Beard. We're gonna see ya. I'm gonna be in there on the front row screaming and waving my hands. And I'm hoping I get to shake their hands, get them on the vlog, be like, I met Lovejoy up in the house. I met Lovejoy up in the house in Austin, Texas. You know, be a good time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Seriously, make sure you show Lovejoy some love by subscribing to their channel and liking this original video. And definitely if you have not listened to this, go listen to this without my commentary. This is too good. This is meant to be listened to first on their channel without all the pauses. Listen to it, you know, turn off the lights in your room, turn the volume up, listen to this. It is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please help support the channel by smashing that subscribe and like button. It's absolutely free and it greatly helps out the channel. Enjoy the rest of your night, and remember, it's eat, sleep, and make beats, and as usual, be kind to one another. That's all I got. Boom, I'm out. Got nothing but love for the Sauce Gang. I'll be Sauce Gang.